Hello everyone. Imagine a factory completely controlled by robots. In the factories of the future, perhaps there will be no more human workers, only a legion of humanoid robots. This is no longer science fiction, but a reality that is rapidly approaching. From Digit, working in Amazon warehouses, to Walker-S robots in the car factories of the future, and Fader in the BMW factory, the presence of humanoid robots is intensifying. China has also inaugurated its first mass production factory for humanoid robots, with the capacity to produce over 10,000 units per year. These robots, once confined to fiction, are entering our real world at an impressive pace. This leads us to question, what kind of changes will these robots bring us? Will they replace our jobs? Let's explore this topic further. Remember the humanoid robot Digit, who worked in the Amazon warehouse? As a member of Amazon's Robot Legion, Agility Robotics recently showcased Digit's daily routine. In the video, we saw Digit occupying the warehouse, picking up Amazon's yellow boxes, crouching to stack items, and performing various tasks. Digit's performance was impressive. It was able to work continuously for up to 7.5 hours, performing tasks with 100% autonomy. Even more surprising is that Digit's work efficiency has already reached 75% of human speed, with a success rate of 97% in task execution. Since October 2023, Digit has started its career at Amazon. After a few months of adaptation, Digit demonstrated extraordinary skills, enough to work alongside human workers. Not only at Amazon, but Digit also performed excellently at the logistics company GXO in the United States. Its biggest advantage is its high applicability. It quickly learns new skills as needed for tasks, helping companies save considerable costs. In addition, Digit's design strictly follows OSHA safety standards, and it can already execute large-scale AI models to learn new tasks. With Digit's success at Amazon, GXO, and other companies, we can predict that more companies will follow suit. This can not only accelerate the application of humanoid robots, but also pave the way for mass production of Digit. In fact, large-scale production of Digit is already being prepared. At the end of 2023, Agility Robotics announced its RoboFab Superfactory in Salem, Oregon. This 70,000 square foot factory plans to produce 10,000 humanoid robots per year and will offer 500 jobs, dedicated to achieving a true collaboration between humans and machines. The factory is expected to become operational this year, with mass production planned to begin in 2025. With the continuous evolution and improvements of humanoid robots in practical applications, their performance in factory and warehouse tasks may soon reach or even exceed the human level. In China, humanoid robots have also entered the commercial application phase. Recently, UBTech released a video showcasing its humanoid robot Walker-S, which is already working continuously in the car factory of the future. Walker-S is a humanoid robot designed specifically for the industrial sector. The new generation of Walker-S debuted at the end of 2023, appearing for the first time on the day of UBTech's launch and performing the opening ceremony. UBTech's founder and CEO, Zhiyuan, revealed that the company has already established partnerships with several new energy car manufacturers, hoping that more industrial clients will adopt Walker-S in 2024. In the car factory of the future, we see Walker-S performing quality inspections of cars and even skillfully attaching emblems to vehicles. Throughout the process, Walker-S demonstrated precise body control and skillful hand movements. In inspecting the front and rear door locks, Walker-S is equipped with a customized AI inspection management system, collecting and transmitting real-time images of the door locks. In inspecting the seat belts, Walker-S can skillfully rotate its hands 180 degrees, pulling the seat belt and performing 6D identification of the object. In inspecting the headlight covers, Walker-S also collected and transmitted real-time images. Finally, Walker-S moved to the front of the car, precisely attaching the emblem of the future car. At this peak of commercialization, China is also inaugurating its first mass production factory for humanoid robots. Recently, Zhiyuan Robotics formed a strategic partnership with Lingang Group, initiating the construction of its first production base in Lingang, Fengxian, creating the first mass production factory for humanoid robots in Shanghai. At this year's first shareholders meeting, Zhiyuan Robotics also revealed that it will launch two new next-generation robotic products, the Expedition A2 and Dust-Free C5, aiming to achieve comprehensive application in industrial and commercial scenarios. In August 2023, Zhiyuan Robotics launched its first universal humanoid robot, the Expedition A1. This robot is 1.75 meters tall, weighs 55 kilon, has 49 degrees of freedom joints, and a peak torque of 300 Nm with a maximum walking speed of 7 km/h, capable of autonomously avoiding obstacles. Despite the successful launch of the Expedition A1, founder Peng Zhihui seems to be unsatisfied, as he stated that he aims to control the cost of humanoid robots below 200,000 yuan, indicating that there are still technological improvements and refinements to be made. Peng Zhihui stated, "After the launch of the Expedition A1, we haven't stopped. We are intensely developing the next generation, the Expedition A2, aimed for commercial use, with significant improvements in stability and reliability, introducing independently developed core key components, further increasing the robot's performance and freedom. More importantly, our developed deep intelligent framework has been successfully validated, giving the universal robot an AI brain capable of meeting the needs of flexible manufacturing and interactive services. The new product will be launched in the first or second quarter of 2024. Stay tuned." It is worth noting that Zhiyuan Robotics, founded less than a year ago, has already completed 5 rounds of funding, attracting the attention of several renowned investment institutions, including Zhiyuan Ventures, Blue Lake Capital, and BYD. Among the investors, several industrial institutions such as BYD have become shareholders of Zhiyuan, believing that Zhiyuan Robotics will soon be seen in various factories. Currently, this robot is already being tested in car factories, 3C material assembly, biochemical laboratories, and as a robot butler in various scenarios. Another highlight is Figure 1, currently the most prominent robotics company in the world. Unlike Agility Robotics, which focuses on the application of humanoid robots in logistics, Figure 1 positions itself as an AI robotics company, aiming to create the world's first commercially viable universal humanoid robot. Recently, Figure 1 attracted industry attention with a large round of funding, receiving $675 million in investment from tech giants like OpenAI, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Amazon. This funding raised Figure 1's valuation to $2.6 billion, making it a unicorn company in the sector, despite being founded less than 2 years ago.
In January of this year, the Figure 1 humanoid robot had already mastered the skill of making coffee, learning from demonstration videos of humans in just 10 hours.
A month later, Figure 1 learned to transport boxes to a conveyor belt, showing the complete process of walking to the box area, picking up a box, and taking it to the conveyor belt, performing all these operations autonomously. Next, Figure 1 demonstrated its latest progress in collaboration with OpenAI, equipping Figure 1 with a powerful AI brain capable of dialoguing with humans in natural language, understanding their intentions, and performing tasks autonomously. It can follow natural language commands, for example. When you ask for something to eat, it gives you an apple, and even cleans up the trash while explaining why it chose the apple. With the support of large models, Figure 1 can understand that the only food on the table is an apple, performing household tasks when receiving human commands, such as putting black plastic bags away, organizing cutlery, and placing it in the drainer. From picking up an apple to organizing cutlery, Figure 1 demonstrated a deep understanding of the environment and the ability to explain its logic of actions, fully showing its ability to learn and perform tasks autonomously. In this process, Figure 1 is constantly advancing its commercialization, already partnering with automotive giant BMW, planning to deploy its Figure 1 robot at the BMW factory in South Carolina this year. At that time, Figure 1 will replace human workers to handle 5 tasks related to thin metal sheets, increasing efficiency and safety in production at the factory. With technological advancements and cost reductions, the application of humanoid robots will become increasingly widespread, from car factories to logistics centers and warehouses, from Digit to Figure through Walker S, and the first mass production factory for humanoid robots in China. We are witnessing the potential application of humanoid robots in different areas. They have not only changed the way we work in logistics and industrial manufacturing, but also signaled the unlimited possibilities of humanoid robots in the work scenarios of the future. With the continuous maturity of technology and cost reduction, humanoid robots will certainly become a significant force for improving efficiency and safety at work. All this development fills us with anticipation about the future of humanoid robot technology. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive updates on our upcoming content and take advantage of our previous episodes.